Alam mo ba na kung gagamitin mo lang sa bahay yung virtual DJ ay legit, libre siya. That's right, pwede mo i-download yung latest version ng virtual DJ tapos gamitin mo yung free home license niya. All of the features work, you just can't use it with a DJ controller. At dahil walang DJ controller na nakakabit, ibig sabihin kailangan mong gumamit ng keyboard pati trackpad o kaya mouse. Pero paano kung hindi mo alam yung keyboard mappings ng virtual DJ? Well, don't worry. Kuya's got you. Ginawan kita ng virtual DJ default mapping na PDF. Pwede mo to i-download for free yung link nasa comments o kaya nasa bio. Tapos kung mahina yung mata mo, katulad ko, may XL version siya on page 3. I suggest printing this out tapos i-review mo from time to time. So again, these are the default virtual DJ keyboard mappings. Isa siyang PDF that you can download, store mo sa phone mo kung gusto mo, kaya sa tablet, or even on your laptop, and you can view it while you're practicing your DJing. I also suggest nga na printing it out para meron kang reference na pwede mong tignan, pati pwede mo rin siyang sulatan if you want to.